So this is a video tour of room 46 in Cour, which is in the Old City in Lyon. This hotel recently renovated and opened in April of 2025. When you first come in, you do need to put your card in here for the lights to turn on. You might have noticed they all just turned on right there. And when you very first come in, this is going to be your water closet right here. Of course, we are in Europe, so you have big button and small button. You know how to use that. There is also a garbage can if needed, as well as bags right there. And then on the other side, you have your closet. And inside your closet, you do have hangers. For a short stay, this is plenty. I'm counting 10 right now. I'm sure you can ask for more. There is also the luggage rack. And underneath there is a shelf you can store shoes, and it does also include the safe. This is a very standard one. Enter your 4-digit code, press lock, it will lock, and then when you want to enter or open it again, press that same 4-digit code and it will automatically unlock. This is a relatively large safe. It's going to fit your laptop computer, your iPads, your jewelry, your passports, your wallets, anything you might need. So I appreciate the fact that there's a relatively large safe in here. We're gonna go ahead and close up this closet and move over to the next piece. This is where you have the Cour. This is a mini bar. So you do have options. There is a cost for these. That said, there is also still and sparkling water that is yours to enjoy. And they are very clear about marking what is yours versus what has a cost to it, which I appreciate. There is a coffee maker that has also tea for you to enjoy on that piece of it. And then there's also a room service menu if you'd like to do room service. And then below in here, this is where you're gonna have your robes and slippers for your stay to use. Don't take them home with you, you will get charged. You have a shoehorn, there's shoe polish, sewing kit, as well as the laundry service information right there. And then below, you do also have, again, 2 more shelves for storage. And then this is a mini bar fridge. It is not an actual fridge. All of this, there is a charge to it. It's going to keep things a little bit cooler, but not cold. So there's that for you. And then coming into the main part of the chamber, you do have a chair right by the window. Allows you to sit and get comfortable. Then you do also have your lights to turn on and off, as well as the controlling of your air conditioning and heating as needed. It is in Celsius, so just be aware of what temperature you like here. You do have a window. When you look outside, again, this does not have the greatest view, but it's not horrible. And this, even though it's Europe, the windows open, but they are locked, so you are not able to get these windows open, and I'm okay with that. And then there are also blackout shades that will come over this to close so you can sleep during the day or during the night when the sun comes up. There is also the requisite television, which is not a big surprise. You do also have your telephone if there's anyone that you need to reach. And then, at least in my room, I have a welcome little gift. I cannot tell you if that's going to be in everyone's, but I do appreciate that it's here. On the desk, that again has another chair for you to sit in. And then in the actual room, you do have the king-size bed, and this is a very large king-size bed. I do appreciate the fact that it's American size and it's not smaller. There are small tables on each side, and I can see already that there are plugs on just one on this side, but there are plenty of plugs on the other side, as well as night lights. So this one, just click on, click off if you want to read while you're in bed. And then you do also have the overhead lights right here, as well as another outlet. There is also a full-length mirror here, which is perfect for getting ready. And let me say, I love the decor. This light is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really pretty. So we're gonna come over on the other side of the bed here, where again, as I mentioned, you do have additional outlets so that you can plug in if needed right there. Note that they are European, so bring your adapter, please. This is the actual bathroom. So water closet is separate, like many in Europe. So just be aware of that. There is a curtain that closes between the two, so it's not completely open. So it gives you a little bit of privacy if you're with someone where you don't want them seeing you showering, changing, whatever the case may be. There is towels underneath, as well as your sink with lovely, so saying there are lovely amenities here with the hand wash and body lotion, as well as a vanity kit and a shower cap. There is, of course, the magnifying mirror, because of course everyone wants to see all their flaws, as well as the mirror. And then the actual shower itself is a walk-in shower that does include the overhead shower, and like so many in Europe, the handheld shower. They do also include the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This is Radisson collection, and you can control the temperature just by the round knob turning it one direction or the other. There is also a hairdryer that is included. I can tell by the feel of it. This is actually a halfway decent hairdryer. It does have an extension on it. The hairdryer, I can tell from just feeling it, this is actually a halfway decent hairdryer. I will open it up for you in just a moment as I go through my usual spiel with this piece of it. But I do appreciate that they have a decent hairdryer here. Yes, like I said, this is a halfway decent hairdryer. If you do bring your own hairdryer, please be aware that you cannot just use an adapter in a hairdryer in Europe, because if you do so, that adapter will blow out your hairdryer and burn it up, because it is a different voltage than what we have in the United States. So you either need to get one that has the correct voltage for here, or you need to bring and use the one that is in the room. So again, this is the room at the Cour in Lyon, France. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I'll answer your questions.